tingog ay? Wala, dili mo tingog.
Dili lang mo tingog.
Ano ang kuan? Dili siya mo tingog.
Dili lang mo tingog.
Asa din mo gitunit? Asa din mo gitunit ba?
Dili
Wala,
lang siya.
Ano tong kuan dito? Dili siya mo gana. Sir, return sir. Dili siya mo gana, sir. No. Sige na, yun. Wala ka, wala ka. Isa, sir. Kajut lang yun, sir. Kajut lang yun, sir. Wala ka yun, sir. Sige na, sulit lang. Sulit sa baguting mo ba? Okay na, sir. Wala, basta na. Sige, sige.
Group number 3. On deck, group number 4.
Yaga ang technical, uyaw.
Reminder dun sa mga teams, ha? Di ba, a while ago, you're given a chance to...
Good day, Philippines. Today is a sunny day, November 19, 2024, and we are broadcasting live from DXRC Rosario Clarín. I am Yuri Kahana.
Good afternoon, Miss Samis Occidental. Traffic is turning light with moderate in the main roads of Clarín. I am Precious Alonso,
Your anchors for today.
and you are tuning to the XRC 97.4.
The DXRC 97.4 News on the go.
Philippine Standard Time is 11:33 in the morning. And for today's top stories,
7.2 magnitude earthquake hits Davao Occidental.
suspect and Homeland killing arrested.
Transgenders should be banned in the Philippine Games.
Bill Crawford and Pauline Garcia reunited with their ex-Showtime family.
For national news, 7.2 magnitude earthquake hits Davao Occidental. Here is Precious Ilongson for the details.
Seismologists state that a magnitude of 7.2 earthquake rocked Sarangani, Davao Occidental on Friday, according to the Philippine Institute Volcanology and Seismology. The tectonic quake occurred 30 kilometers southeast at 4:14 p.m. with a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. The walks expects aftershocks.
Hindi, bili ko kabalong
Kini?
showbiz akong kanahan. Ito yung showbiz, anak.
Showbiz.
Kanong Colin.
Oh, kato.
Kaya introduce
For
ko.
showbiz news, Billy Crawford and Pauline Garcia reunited with their Showtime family. Here is Precious Ilongson. Is this true?
Yes, you had it right. Showtime celebrities celebrates their 40th anniversary. During Vice Desmond Pasiga performance, Billy Crawford, Pauline Garcia, and with their song, Amari performs at Showtime studio makes everyone shout. Bill Crawford believes Vice is of their issue in the past. Precious love song for radio Ascenso.
Sa local daw.
Yeah, local. Ang sama.
Ano itong local na yun? Tapos,
Kini. Kini.
Suspect and Homeland killing arrested correspondent
Oh, correspondent. Correspondent.
Your hunt for the details.
Police arrested one of the alleged suspects in the killing of radio broadcaster Juan Humalon. Philippine National Police Chief of the Public Information Police Colonel Jean Fajardo said Tuesday, November 21, 2023. In a press conference, Fajardo said the suspect, whom she refused to identify, was arrested in a buy-bus operation on November 14. She said the suspect was tagged as among the individuals behind the ambush of Calamba, Misamis Occidental Municipal Engineer weeks before Humalon was gunned down. Fajardo said based on the ballistic examination, the spent shells recovered during the ambush of the municipal engineer last month matched with the shells recovered from the scene where Humalon was shot dead. Yuri Kahanap, your Vital Voice correspondent.
Then, to wrap up today's top news.
To wrap up today's top news, this is Precious Alonso,
And this is Yuri Kahanap.
the voice of... Ano lang,
Agatuan na. Ayun.
Unsa to?
The voice and Obans.
the voice with no bias.
Serving you nothing but the truth.
This is
DXRC 97.4 Radio Ascenso. Now signing off.
Nani mo katong video? Ang katong nakatas ka din?
Yes.
Isendi daw ko.